Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody wanted to know how to break a pencil in part so you could put the word educate or any word in between it. Came out pretty good. I used two different pencils. Well, they sent me one of them. They sent me this one. And I used that one for that one and this one. So what I want to do, if you notice how big it is pretty big. It's over 33 inches big when I brought it in. So I'm going to make it really small. It's less than 4. I'm going to set my nudge factor for 5 inches. I'm going to make a duplicate of it and I'm going to move it over on this one. Either one you can do. And really, in this case, what I think I would do again is have it selected and go to the crop tool and crop out that part of the scenario. So when Corel traces it, only has more worry about the pencil. Then I'm going to go to Trace, Outline, Trace, Clip Art. And it's already done it. I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to nudge it over. Now, this is a terrible rendition of a bitmap. And you can see some leakage in the white is probably not there. So we need to fix a couple of things. I'm just going to take a 2-point line and go from like right there to there, right there to there. Maybe go a little bit further with both of them to give us our pencil point. Then there's some, I need to use the Smart Fill tool and then that's going to leak. You could do it 2 ways. You could take the shape tool and just move that over, but I'm just going to do this real quick. So what I'm doing, I'm creating a dam for the Smart Fill tool not to get in. And I'm going to do both ends. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle around my pencil. And I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in. I'm going to nudge that over and then I'm going to fill that in. So now I have a shape of a pencil. I'm going to make it blue just so we can see it and make sure it's on top. Then I'm going to take the whole thing and go up to intersect. And now I have a pencil with no background, nothing but a pencil. And we can kind of prove that with a, let's do a light blue box, object order, back a page. And you can see I just have a pencil. Pretty clear, pretty sharp, because it is the picture cut out. Now, to cut it in half, there's a number of ways, but what I'm going to do is take a rectangle, put it about where I want to cut it. I'm going to take another rectangle and put it at the edge of that rectangle. Now, you know, I'm less than 1 inch tall, so I'm going to change my nudge factor to 1 inch. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and move it down. Now I'm going to grab the pencil so I can go inside the boxes. You got to make sure you get it all. Then hold down the shift key and click this box, gaining the 2 objects. And I'm going to go back minus front. That took away that pencil, that part of the pencil. Now I'm going to grab the pencil. I didn't get it all. I'm going to hold down the shift key and I'm going to grab this box. Whoop. Let me do that again. I clicked off of it. Hold down the shift and click this box and go back minus front. That cut out the other part. And because I've nudged, I can put my pencil right back up and make it a pencil. And then if I want it separated by whatever, a 1/2 inch, I can just grab it and separate it a 1/2 inch. Now, I'm seriously going to try to look for another pencil because I think it would be cooler if you could actually see the inside of the pencil, you know, like a half circle or a circle, and have the word educate or whatever word you want to use, teach. Like I did here, it would be going, so this would be like the lead of the pencil. That's what it's representing. But that's pretty easy way to trace it and split that pencil in half. I mean, if you look, it's really, really sharp. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.